Incremental greetings. Let's continue the Supermemo course, the pleasurable expansion. We have just seen how to do transfer elements from a branch. Now let's do it from a subset. So let's say that I want search. I will select all of the dismissed, for instance, and I want to move all of my dismissed elements that are dismissed, not applied, done. So there's still content. Sort, we have seen that, it will be by size. And here you go. Okay, for the example, I will only select 20, so it's quicker to do. Then those are left, I don't know why, because I wanted to leave this for getting hits in the search and whatever. So let's say that I want to clean my collection. That I don't want dismissed topics because they're adding size and all of that. So then I have all of the subset here, and then I will process a browser, export. Hey, I don't have such an option. Remember that in the menu in the knowledge tree was in export and transfer. I cannot do it here. For whatever reason, it's not in the process browser, it's in the browser menu. Then you have another export, and the menu is different. It's Supermemo, so okay. And then you have transfer elements. And then we'll continue with the example. I select the collection. Do you want? Yes, I want. I know what I'm doing. Do you want the images? In this case, could be the case that, no, I don't want to. I only want the text because it's for reference only. That, oh, who said that? Oh yeah, that was the Lawson Lin, that guy, or whatever. I only want the quotes. I'm not going to read this again, right? Then no, because I don't want to give the images and whatever I have that will be adding size. And this is how it looks. I open the example collection, and hey, it's not exactly what I thought. You may thought that you will have the flat hierarchy, only the elements in the browser, how it is seen in the browser. No, it keeps the hierarchy. So in education, I had this, the John Bolt, and science, cognition, and health. And I have the concepts, all of this. But this is still nice, because I get a lot of data that is dismissed, it's only for reference, and then I can remove it from this collection and declutter that. So, as a reminder to wrap up this video, you can transfer elements from the knowledge tree, which would be transferring a branch, or for any subset. Can be from a search, from elements from the registry, elements that have images, that have sound, or from one particular template. Let's say that I want to move and transfer my videos, all of that, to a different collection. Then you can do it. And in the next video, we'll see precisely most of the use cases for both features. See you in the next video.